IMD forecasts heavy rain in Karnataka. Yellow alert issued for 23 districts. Bengaluru is among the affected areas. Alert valid from Friday to 22nd May. Thunderstorms expected across the state. Gusty winds may reach 50 to 60 kilometers per hour. Bengaluru rural, Mysore and Kolar on alert. Other districts include Tumkuru, Mandya also affected, Kodagu, Hassan, Belgavi, Bidar, Yadgir, and Raichur on the list. To rain likely for the next 7 days. Lightning and thunder also expected. Cyclonic circulation seen over Bay of Bengal trough from Telangana to north. TN active. These systems to trigger widespread rain. Monsoon likely to advance further soon. Officials meet to plan rain response. Focus on traffic and flooding control. Major waterlogging spots identified. BBMP to clear blocked drainage points. Tree fall risks discussed in East Zone. Water pumps to be placed at key spots. Agencies assigned duties to manage traffic. Aim reduce flood and traffic issues.